Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, to test the 5 plus 8 GB of RAM, virtual RAM. Is it kind of really useful or it's kind of really gimmick? That is what I'm going to test in the Realme X7 Max device. As you can see, friends, this is a Realme X7 Max. So this is a question which was requested by a couple of subscribers from the Realme X7 Max asking me to make a video on this particular topic. There is a reason I thought of making this kind of video right now today. So I did get 10 up games right now, as you can see. So right now I'm trying to use the 8 plus 5 GB of RAM at this moment. I'll try to load these 10 games. I'll try to see how many games will be open in the RAM management. That is what I'm going to check before and after. So in this way we'll be able to figure out, so having the virtual RAM is kind of helpful or not. That's what I'm going to exactly do in this testing. So first let me try to go to the settings option and try to clear everything in the process manager. So here's the additional settings and here's the process manager. I'm trying to clear everything in the background. As you can see, there's nothing, no applicants in the background. And now let's check. I'm trying to clear each and every category. Now, as you can see, friends, out of 8 plus 5 GB, we got 5 GB of RAM available. As you can see, it's showing 5 GB. Let me try to write down the reading. So I have this kind of small chart which I have prepared. So before and after, I'll try to write down the readings every time. So by using 8 plus 5 GB without using any kind of thing. This is what I'm going to do in the testing. Let me try to quickly open the games. So here are the 10 games which I'm going to open right now in my testing. Let's see, friends, how many games will be there in the RAM management. That is what I'm going to check out of these 10 games. So 10 games are really very small games basically. It's not that big games, I would say. So let me go back to the home screen and open the Candy Crush. So I just want to see, having the virtual RAM, will it help keeping the games in the background or not, more applications and more games. So this is a test which I'm trying to do only on the games, not on the applications. So in case if you want me to do on the applications, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I can do those videos on the applications as well. But on the games, let's see, friends, how many games will be open right now. So again, I'll try to do same kind of thing after. So once after I open all this kind of 10 games, I'll try to write down how much RAM is available. Same thing I'm going to record as well when I'm trying, not using any kind of thing, any kind of virtual RAM. So next is a Temple Run. And it's kind of loading, yes, and smash it. So this is going to be really interesting, friends, and this is my first time doing this kind of testing as well using the virtual RAM, whether it's kind of really helpful or not. I did not test even in the IQ7 device, but a lot of people, they are really interested in this Realme X7 Max at this moment. That is the reason I thought of making a video on this particular topic as soon as possible. Let me go to home screen, and next is Hill Climb Racing. Let's see this game. And I just want to see how many games will be open. And in case if you are interested in any other doubts, if you have any other queries, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. So there's only one more game to go, I think so. So let's see the Angry Birds, how much more time this is gonna take. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what do you think? So do you think is it virtual RAM is kind of really useful thing, or it's kind of really gimmick? That's what I'm going to check in the comments. So final game, which is a stake ball. Let's see, friends, after opening this game, I'll try to write down how much RAM is available at this moment. And I'm directly going into the RAM management. As you can see right now, you can see clearly 2.20 is available at this moment after opening 10 games. As you can see, friends, 2.20 GB. So 2.20 GB, and beginning it was close to 5 GB around, as you can see exactly. Now let's check the RAM management, how many games will be in the background memory. That is what I'm going to check exactly. I'm trying to make it a little bit kind of fast forward, so that is the reason I'm trying to be a little bit kind of quick. I think the Smash It did not open, so Smash It, it's not there exactly in the start. That's the one thing. Let's check the Temple Run. Temple Run also did not open, as you can see. So Getaway also did not open, as you can see, friends. It's kind of really loading again. Candy Crush also not open. Perfect. And Subway also not open. So overall, in this kind of using this kind of virtual RAM, only 5 games were opened. That's it. Only 5 games in my testing. I did not see those other games open. Let me try to write down the score. So 5 games, as you can see, friends, absolutely. So now let me try to do one thing. I'll try to decrease the RAM. Let me try to go to the settings and go into settings and go into the about phone and go into the RAM and trying to turn off. As you can see, friends, the settings will take place only after you restart your device. Let me try to restart the device. Let's see what will happen. I'll try to restart the phone right now. So this is going to be really interesting test, friends. So these are the results. So before the test, we do have out of 8 plus 5 GB, 5 GB is available. At the end of the test, 2.20 is available, and only 5 games open. Only 5 games. That's totally ridiculous. I'm not sure what is happening here. Even I did clear everything in the process manager, but few of the users I did ask me to use a high performance mode. So I did not use a high performance mode. So maybe by using high performance mode, I might get different results, but I'll try to do that kind of testing again later. Right now the phone has been successfully booted up completely. As you can see, if I let me to clear everything from the background, I'm trying to clear. Even after keeping all the games, and it's showing same 4.47 GB is available. Let me to clear everything. And 4.94 GB is available, as you can see, friends, out of 8 GB. Now let's go to the settings and I'll try to clear even the process manager. That's another thing which I need to do every time whenever I'm testing on the Realme X7 Max mainly. Now let's clear the settings and check finally. 4.97 GB, as you can see, it's absolutely 4.97 GB. It's kind of same. Even before also we did see kind of close to 5 GB only is available in the beginning, if you remember. So now let's start opening the games. Same games I'm trying to open, friends. Everything I cleared from the background, nothing is there in the background. Let me need to start opening the games, Subway Surf and all the games one by one. Let's see how many games will be open this time in the background. So before it only opened 5 games. So 5 games only were in the background, if you remember. So now, if the virtual RAM is actually working, now I think only 4 games should be open. So only in that case it makes a lot of sense. So let's see how many games will be opened without using any kind of virtual RAM. Go into the smash it and trying to open. So I'm not sure, this is a problem with the Realme and MI UI, both phones. The UI is really very heavy. So both phones are unable to do this kind of RAM management. In my testing, I was unable to get that kind of satisfaction doing the every time the speed test whenever I use this kind of phones. So only one phone, I'm not sure, IQ7 and the OnePlus 8T. These two phones have really very good RAM management, OnePlus 8T and even the IQ7 and IQ3 as well. They do have really great RAM management in terms of opening more and more games and applications in the background. So there's one more game to test and let's see what will be the final amount of RAM availability. After that kind of game open, let's check what will happen. And let's go, yes. And here's the final game. And now as soon as I open the final game, let me to go back and open as you can see right now the RAM availability is about 2.59 GB is available. As you can see, friends, exactly 2.59 GB. Let me to write down the readings. So 2.59 GB. Now let's check. Let's check one by one coming from the back side. How many games will be there in the background memory? 3 games and traffic, crossy roads, smash it. As you can see, friends, smash it. It's there in the background. And we got 1 game more bonus point. That's kind of really strange. I don't think at this point I'm not sure this virtual RAM is helping any way in terms of the maintaining RAM management or in terms of storing any kind of games or apps in the background, nothing at all. I don't think that will be helpful in terms of doing the multitasking. That is what this conclusion is about, friends, and overall these are the results which we got, and it's kind of really shocking to see without using virtual RAM 6 games were open without using. So at this point, I cannot trust the virtual RAM, which will be definitely another thing you should note down. So with using virtual RAM, 5 games are open, and without using virtual RAM, only 6 games were open, friends. That's totally annoying. I'm not sure what is happening here. So totally, I think finally having the virtual RAM is kind of really gimmick at this point. That is what I can definitely say. But using these 10 games only. So in case if you want me to include the applications, I can do that in another video. Let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.